Hello guys, Dandy's Rule 95, your favorite ace, and my real name is Andre Christoph Ardenor. So today, I'm going to be revealing my handy Manny paper toolbox. So, let me show you my tools. So, here's Pat, so I can use it to hammer it. So, let me get the... Oh wait, no, this. How will do it like this in my knee? Ah! And Rusty's just a monkey range, so Rusty can tighten up the bolts and even pipes like this. And here's Dusty. Dusty had a sharp blade on her right in the back. So let's see if I can do this to the toolbox. Let's see, 2, 1. Yo, it doesn't sound like sawing cutting the wood. So, and from now on, we have Turner the screwdriver because it's the silver part is only white and not even the silver because oh my goodness. And he had I forgot, and there's a white part that I forgot to do in indigo, to paint the indigo on. Here's Felipe, the Phillips hand screwdriver, and he had a spiky silver thing, and also I'm sorry guys that I forgot to paint the yellow one because it's only wide though. And here's Squeeze the pliers. And even though because I can grab she can take the bolts out and take the bolts in like this. It will be hard though. Grab stuff that we need like this. And here's Stretch. I will show you his tongue. Yo! Stretch had a long tongue. And here's Flicker. And it's the light on. And I'll turn the lights off. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! He even shines like a real flashlight. And this is Daddy's World 95 signing off.